viewers, welcome to Jana's Mom Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken with banana flour. So as we all know, banana flour has many medicinal properties. It is also known as banana blossom or banana heart. It is packed with essential minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium and copper, magnesium and iron, which are vital for bodily functions. And it has low on fat. Say about 100 gram of banana flour has only 51 kilocalories. So for people who are on diet can definitely try this recipe, and banana flour with chicken goes very well, and this dish turns out to be very yummy, delicious and nutritious. So for viewers who are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can see future notification. So what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking. First let us marinate the chicken. I have taken half kg of chicken. To it I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and 1 tablespoon of jeera and dhania powder. This is roasted jeera and dhania powder. Then squeeze a lime to it. So mix it well and then mix it properly. Mixing is over. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. So this is the banana flour, also known as plantain. The variety is Musa balbisiana. So we will use this plantain, and the other varieties will be bitter in taste, but this is not bitter. So we will remove the flours. This is also can be used to make fritters, so we will not throw this, only the outer cover we will throw. Then we have to cut this into small pieces. We have to chop it. So this way we will take out the outer covering. So we have cut the banana flour. We will use half of it, because the size was bigger, so half will do. And to this we will add a tablespoon of salt and some water. Then this we will soak this for some time, say 15 to 20 minutes. In this way the bitterness will go. So we will soak this in water, in salted water, and after 15 or 20 minutes we will squeeze the water, and then we can use it in the recipe. I am going to use this handi to cook the chicken, so I'll add say 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I am using mustard oil. Let it heat up. First I will fry the potatoes. I have used 3 medium-sized potatoes. So I will fry it till they turn golden brown. So frying of potatoes is done. Now in the same oil we will add the whole spices. Like I'll add bay leaf. 2 bay leaf will do, some dalchini, elaichi, 3 elaichi and 4 to 5 long or cloves. Then I'll add 3 chopped onions. this we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we will fry till the onions become light golden brown or till they become translucent. So let it cook for some time. We will cover it and cook. Bowl, I am adding 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera, dhania and garam masala powder. This is homemade, and half teaspoon of turmeric and half tablespoon of Kashmiri mirch. Then I'll add little water and mix it. I generally used to make this paste so that it does not stick to the cookware. So let it cook for 2 more minutes. Now I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. So at this point I will make the flame high, and then I'll fry this chicken till oil separates. Let's check the chicken. Yes, oil is oozing out. This is the correct time to add the chopped banana flour. Give a proper stirring. Now I'm going to add the fried potatoes. We'll medium the flame right now. Now I'm going to add some salt. While marinating the chicken, I have already added, so I'm adding little. Now mix it properly. Then cover and let it cook. With the help of a mortar and pestle, grind 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add this black pepper to it. Add little water, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Little water will do. So again let it cook in medium flame. Add a tablespoon of ghee to it. So our chicken with banana flour is ready to serve. It is very nutritious and the taste is very unique and very delicious. So here comes my chicken banana flour. Serve it hot with steamed rice or plain rice. So it's looking very yummy and the taste is also very awesome. I'm telling you, it's really very awesome. Just please try it and I'm sure you will love it. If you like my recipes, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. and encourage us to do better in future. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day ahead. Thank you. Bye.